Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Viewers, I discussed with you about Maryam who came under the custody of Prophet Zakaria alayhi salam. Today I will tell you about the birth of Prophet Isa alayhi salam. Long, long ago, there lived a pious lady called Hannah in Jerusalem. She prayed to Allah for a child and vowed that the child would spend his life serving Allah. When she gave birth, it was a girl. She said, "Oh my Lord, I have given birth to a female." Allah graciously accepted the girl child and caused her to grow up in purity. She was named Maryam by her parents. When Maryam grew up, she began serving Allah as promised by her mother. The priest admired her deep devotion and love and respect for Allah. Everyone wanted to be her guardian. They drew lots, and each time it was in the favor of her uncle, the Prophet Zakaria alayhi salam. Thus Allah made the Prophet Zakaria alayhi salam her guardian. The Prophet Zakaria was an old man and he used to visit Maryam in her prayer. Maryam would spend most of her time in prayer and devotion, and soon she became known for being good and pure. Allah says in the Quran, "We have set her above all other women." One day, Maryam was in her room praying. Suddenly, an unknown man who was actually an angel appeared before her. She became afraid. She said, "I seek refuge in the compassionate God from you. Do not come near me if you fear the Lord." But the man said, "Do not be afraid. I am Allah's messenger. You will have a holy son." Maryam was not married. She panicked. She asked the angel, "How can I have a son?" The angel said, "God creates what he wills. When he wills a thing, he needs only say be, and it is." The angel also told her that the child's name would be Isa ibn Maryam, and he would be honored in this world and in the next, and that he would be among those who were granted nearness to God. He would be a sign from Allah. The angel also said, "O Maryam, God has selected you over all women of your time. O Maryam, remain truly devoted to your sustainer and prostrate yourself in worship and bow down with those who bow down before him." When the time for the birth of her child came, Maryam left Jerusalem. She walked till she reached a far-away place. She was tired and hot. She saw a palm tree. She sat in the shade. A stream was flowing nearby. It was here in the shade of a palm tree and next to the stream that the Prophet Isa alayhi salam was born. Maryam had a voice. She heard a voice, "Do not despair, your Lord has provided a brook that runs at your feet, and if you shake the trunk of this palm tree, it will drop fresh ripe dates on you." After the birth, Maryam picked up little Isa and went to her own village. Soon, people asked her, "Whose baby is this?" But she kept silent as Allah told her to. Suddenly, little Isa started speaking, and the people were speechless. The little Isa said that he was a prophet of Allah, and Allah had sent him with Injil. But still, many people did not believe in the Prophet Isa alayhi salam. However, Prophet Isa alayhi salam kept on telling them. I hope viewers, you would have liked today's story as well. I will come up with yet another interesting story. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.